Assalamualaikum, hello everyone, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you for watching my presentation today. Please allow me to introduce myself as a presenter first. My name is Miftah Rojak, and my team is Sri Ajarjo and Yulius Slamet. Well, I present my paper. The research title is Digital Modeling Through Observation of Content on Social Media in the Learning Process of Novice Entrepreneurial Communication Strategies. Well, let's just go to the introduction. Introduction. Novice entrepreneur and new venture business, including micro, small, and medium enterprise, are very important for economic growth in modern society. Different from large companies and established companies, startup companies have unique characteristics. For example, resources are usually limited due to limited resources, including capital, knowledge, and skill. They usually rely heavily on their social network in the process of learning to make business. In the digital era, the learning process is mostly done through observation on social media. This is in line with various evidence on the importance on social media, which has become an integral part of entrepreneurial practice for business growth and brand development. Novice entrepreneurs are more likely to learn new things such as marketing communication strategies, branding strategies, business or product identities by learning through observation on social media. They tend to follow and imitate other established and successful business strategy by following and imitating whatever can be adopted in their business. The focus of this research is how the process of learning digital communication strategies by novice entrepreneurs through observation model or content on social media, which will be modeled and adapted to their effort to build a reputation, identity, and branding for their business and developing their business. The research location was conducted in the city of Surakarta, Indonesia. The result of interviews with Nurhayani 2020 as the head of corporative and SMA department revealed the growth of SMA in the city of Surakarta has increased by 10% every year since 2018, in line with the program for the growth of new business or novice entrepreneurs that are carried out every year. One of the characteristics of the Indonesian economy in that domestic economic activity is dominated by micro, small, and medium enterprise, although the ratio of SME to large companies vary in various economic sectors. Of the total existing SME must come from the micro business category, 99%. Literature review. This research used two main theory. The first, social cognitive theory by Albert Bandura, is used as a reference in describing the learning process of communication strategies by learning entrepreneurs through observation on social media that will be modeled in their business. Bandura suggests that four mediational processes occur during observational learning. These processes are the attention process, the retention process, the motor reproduction process, and the motivation process. The second theory, reception theory, to explain how novice entrepreneur interpret the material content or model to be modeled in their effort. The reception analysis by Stuart Hall is used, which a study of audiences in mass communication. Reception theory applies a rule in analyzing the meaning understood by novice entrepreneurs that determine their success in the learning process of novice entrepreneurs. The reception analysis that will be used in this research is Stuart Hall encoding-decoding model. Hall said there are three public positions in retrieving message through digital media for an interactive learning process, including the dominant hegemonic position, negotiated position, and oppositional position. Method. The research used qualitative method with a descriptive model as for the form of research by means of case studies. Location. The research was conducted in the city of Surakarta, Indonesia in December 2019 until July 2020. The recent researchers conducted a case study in the city of Surakarta is that the growth of SMA, micro, small, and medium enterprise in Surakarta has increased, revealed the growth of SMA in the city of Surakarta has increased 10% every year since 2018, in line with the program for the growth of new business or novice entrepreneurs that are carried out every year. Source and types of data: primary data, obtained through direct in-depth interview with source. Secondary data, obtained from the cooperative and SME department Surakarta, for example, data on novice entrepreneur, data on new business growth, SME growth, and SME potential. Informant criteria, be selected from a variety of business category, e.g. industry, type of business, location, etc. Social media manager and the business. The business has been running for more than 6 months. Data analysis. Data analysis used from Mills and Haberman. After the data collected was performed, data reduction, data presentation, and drawing conclusion that triangulation was carried out for the purpose of checking the validity of the research data. Conclusion. The results showed that entrepreneurs only focus on one skill area in creating verbal or visual content and business communication strategies. For example, Informant X only focus on creating photo content. Informant Y only focus on maximizing the use of caption and hashtag to add photo information. Informant Z only focus on how to build business and product identity or branding and relational communication. Novice entrepreneur need to maximize and combine whatever need to be learned to only focusing on content creation skill and communication strategies. The suggestion put forward is that it is necessary to pay attention to the selected model or content which is modeled in their learning process. For example, novice entrepreneurs must consider business, segmentation, product, and so on, while in the model of interpreting or learning entrepreneurial content, they need to study various reference and attend various business training in the use of digital media to gain insight in growing business and developing brand to make it easier to adapt any content that suit their business. Finally, classify the communication pattern and digital media used, whether one way or two way.